But look on the kitchen. What the car clean? Which pop on his kitchen clean? It's like a nasty one for the coat that them try to clean the kitchen. I should expect people to eat out of the kitchen, yeah?
Were you a cuss born? My girl, you can't stop cuss.
You can't stop being dirty, or if you leave the kitchen like this, eh? Look how the kitchen nasty. You can't clean up after yourself, nasty girl. Not only that, you leave your nasty period pad in like trash and you not even dash them away.
I never know some other mother in here.
Well, if I say your mother reads them, I'm not even surprised.
Don't come talk about my mother, alright?
Just clean up the kitchen, huh? Is that so hard for you to do? Is that so complicated? You can leave me that you can at least contribute. I mean, all you do is use up people's food. Yeah, like use up my baby family, like you can't afford your own things. You know what, I can't wait till Jackson come, I can't tell him, oh yeah, dirty up in father's house.
You gonna buy me the iPhone? Baby, you wanna just come out?
Tim want buy the world.
Yes, so you love me, Jackson?
Tim, you know say my heartbeat. No woman a come close to you. None. I think me take care of you, so eh? Buy you anything we want. No what? Why you come live with me?
But you live with your two big man of them. All the time to work.
I can't my fabulous say I use. I can't my soap powder yeah I use wash your dirty clothes them.
Boy, for one thing, you could do a cuss like some old granny. You're just like one too. Look at your dress. No, sir.
You can't talk about somebody dressing when you wear a panty and walk around the house and the shame.
You don't have the body with me off, so you can't go and be jealous.
Excuse me, but I for show off my body forget that head John from a job saying Jackson loan me the way me is.
Alright, listen, some changes are gonna be made in the house, okay? Tomorrow I'm gonna share the downstairs room with the baby them.
You must be crazy, I'm not sharing no room with you.
I know up to you on your own.
But Jackson, baby, you said the downstairs room is gonna be mine.
Jody, Melissa, you have to understand something. This is my father's house. And me make the rules in here, alright?
So let me guess, Jody a breed again, that's why you need the extra room?
Nobody now breed. My girlfriend will come move in here. I'm gonna need the other room them for when our pitney them come visit.
Jackson, baby. What do you mean, girlfriend? I thought I was your girlfriend.
Are you serious right now? You bring another girl in here? Another girl. So what is this? Sister wise? What kind of disgust is that lifestyle this? And should they have no pitney for your girl room and extra room for fear pitney?
You know, Melissa, one thing boy, you know, you feel like you're too obligated to things that's not your own.
Obligated? May a baby manner. You don't even have no respect for me because you're earning this creature in here.
I don't wanna take this for in harmony. I'm a woman, and I'm a baby mother. There's a difference.
Well, fine then. You just go to find my one place and take my son with me.
Listen here now, girl. You know, take my pretty bring him nowhere, you know. Can me kill your fee, you know. Remember that. Stop your noise. Like me say, and me make the decisions them round here. And me run the house here. Not either uno. So like when me say to uno, my woman I come live here. And if any of uno disrespect her, watch what happen to uno. Cause uno not see my level of rage yet, you know. And the two uno now bring my baby them go nowhere.
Me already decided that I want the top bunk bed and you're not getting the top bunk bed. If you have an issue with that, me I go tell Jackson.
Me set up. My brother all room say your daughter can stay in there, alright?
Thank you, Jackson. Mwah.
Auntie, anything for my baby. When she come here, she feel well comfortable. No problem whatsoever, okay?
Remember, you have to clean up the bathroom, innit, Melissa?
But not clean out nothing, you know. Because she stayed up all long and she not even that do nothing. Why must me and you all of the whole world while she sit down like some princess?
Well, if you not do nothing, you know, Jackson not gonna get vexed. And you know, Jackson a good man.
When they care now, when they care, we don't care. We not clean off of that dust again. You know, social oil. And let him really come and bring round with that old woman there.
I me I wonder too. Look how her breasts them saggy and drop down. But I guess that him wants. One old saggy breast woman with pitney. Look how me shape good and look good. Him, you know him bright.
And then she come on the table say, me can't use upstairs bathroom anymore because that's fear and taxing bathroom. She have the nerve you not tell to me, so.
Been in the kitchen a clean a while ago. And me hear say her daughter come here. She me don't know why I'm take up a woman who have pitney and him don't have pitney with we already. Me I wonder if she hobby her.
Yeah, you have to work to get off, get her old time here shorty. She can't stay here. She already tried to control everything already. I don't like her.
I don't know, Melissa. I'm kind of scared at Jackson. I really want to go do something and him put the man upon me again. Why wouldn't I just leave the baby them with Jackson and then we go back to our parents' them house?
Yeah, man, when I leave my son with him, dirty crosses again. Next time she come and abuse him, when I mean my pregnant with him. Now I'll find a way to get rid of her. Trust me.
Excuse me? Who is you and what you doing inside my house? If you're planning to steal something in here, I'm going to call my baby father.
Yo, relax yourself, no man. Me a harmony daughter.
You're not a daughter, you're a man.
Thanks for the compliment, but me a harmony daughter. But sorry, Jackson never introduced me to him baby mother them.
Why you just like a man? You want sodomite?
Boy, you disrespectfully, man. Too bad you're so pretty.
Thanks for the compliment. But me like man, not woman.
But me never let that look you. Look like you. You know what? Let me leave you alone.
You know, it's very rude to walk away from somebody when I'm talking to you. Your mother didn't agree with manners. By the way, how old are you?
Me 19. What your business?
See, you're younger than me. You must have respect for me when I talk to you.
Alright, let me start it over then. My name is Neil. I'm sorry I was rude to you. How are you? What is your name?
Why are you being so sarcastic with me?
Picture the bud.
Hello, may I talk to you? You're deaf?
Yo, leave me alone, man. I'm to you.
You're in my house talking to me. I'm not going to leave you alone. Why your mother come here?
She and Jackson did talk for a while, so they're moving together. I don't know not much else about it. What else you want me to say to you? My God, you're 9.
What? I am not a 9. Take that back.
I got you nothing for do. You can't come make me some feet. I'm hungry now. Why not kitchen go cook something, man? Unless you can't cook.
I can. Right. What you want?